just wanted to make a quick video discussing my experience with the company that I ordered these items from. They're a company called Enailcouture, and the company is ran by a man named Max Estrada, who is out of Arizona, or at least the company is ran out of Arizona. Okay, so just to give a little backstory, I follow a lot of YouTube, other nail gurus, professional nail techs, as well as nail enthusiasts, which I would say that I'm on my way to being a nail enthusiast. I do my nails pretty much once a week, but either way, there's one YouTube enthusiast in particular that I watched her video, and she did a review on this company. And as far as the product goes, the product she said was great, but the shipping and on the customer service side was not so great. I'm not going to get into too deep into what her video was about, but more into my experience. And due to the pandemic, how things have kind of changed, shipping across America, even internationally, and yeah, so I'm going to get a little bit into that. So, my order date, it says it right here. My order date, it says 4/25/2020. Okay, so now you have some background as to when I ordered the products. And I was hearing a lot of stuff about the customer service. That's what made me really want to be like, okay, I know everyone's saying this company's not so great with customer service, but at least let me order a few things and give them a try, just to see if my experience would be any different. Maybe if it was depending on the items that you order, why you were receiving bad customer service, things like that. I don't know. I really did just, I said, okay, I'm going to just spend a little bit of money, not a lot. My order, as you can see on here, they don't put the total, but my order ended up being $50. And then with shipping, it was $6.99, so it ended up being $57 and some change. I ordered a very little bit of things. I ordered some nail polish, which way am I going here? Sorry, I'm going this way. Let me hold it this way. This was literally $5. And I thought that these polishes were regular size, which I don't like to order anything less than 15 milliliters unless it's from a kit. This is only a 10 milliliter bottle. I don't really like to buy anything less than 15 milliliters, but whatever. I bought that. A lot of these items were on clearance, so I'm not going to complain about the price of the items. I'm just, in general, just really showing you what I bought. This is some chrome powder. It doesn't say what the color is or like the number or anything. It just pretty much, it just has their thing on there, but I know it's a hollow chrome powder. I would open it, but the glitter is going to start to get everywhere, and I just don't want to make a mess because I'm about to do another video, and I don't want that glitter to be all over the little placemat here. I ordered a flashy lamp, which was the one thing I was excited about ordering, and another thing on their website, and I'm going to put clips to all. This is a LED flash lamp where it's like a curing lamp. You can turn it on for like 10 seconds and it will hold your gel in place long enough so that you can do your whole hand and then put it in the lamp. But either way, it's cute, it's pink, I like it. Once I figure out the battery thing, I will use it. I ordered some straight edge nail clippers, and these were like, I think $2 or $1. Actually, I have the $2.49. My main reason for going on the website was I was looking for a gel brush that wasn't going to cost me an arm and a leg. And this was a gel brush that I found. It was a petite macaroon, supposed to be a number 8 gel brush. So hopefully you can see that. I think this was $14.99, so the bulk of my order was spent on this. I will say I don't think that it is worth the price that I paid. Not to mention, to me, the cap doesn't really go with the actual color of the brush. I don't know, the cap color is weird to me, and to me it's just like a mismatch. I don't know, it's just kind of odd. They call it a gel tube key. So like, I have a lot of poly gels, and you can stick this on the end so that you ensure that once you get to the bottom of the gel, or like the end of it, it's almost like a toothpaste tube key thing. Just ensures that you get all the product out. You don't want to waste product. So I got this. This was super cheap. It was 99 cents. And I got a pinching tool as well. This is for like when you're doing acrylic nails. I ordered a bunch of files. I think I ordered 6 files. Again, I was just trying to see about the quality. And so I ordered some 180 by 180s and 150 by 150. And those are not it. So these are the 2 files that I ordered. This is the 180. This is the 150. No, this is not even the 150. Oh, I didn't get, okay, that explains why. I didn't get my 150s, guys. So I didn't even notice when I unpacked the stuff the first time. These are 80 by 80 buffers, and this is not what I ordered. I ordered, it says right here, I ordered files. Let me see. Okay. Files 150 by 150, files 180 by 180. So I'm going to toss that to the side now. I don't need that anymore. So I never got the one, yeah, these are 100 by 100. So I never got the 150 by 150s, which I don't know. I only ordered 6. I received 9 files. 3 of them were the ones that I actually ordered. The rest of them are just some random files that they gave, I guess, because they felt bad I didn't have the 150. So they just threw these in the order. I appreciate that. But again, I would have rather them sent 3 more 180s and not what they sent me. They sent me 100 by 100. These are way too hard. They sent me 300 by 100s, 300 by 100 like skinny files, and 80 by 80, which I've never used. I've never used anything grittier than 100. And I don't know what to do with these. I don't really use anything less than 150 because I kind of work with gel better. I work with gel more than acrylic. And for acrylic, you need those harder files, the grittier files, for your, and as well as for your natural nails. You don't need that. So, again, I didn't receive exactly what I ordered, but I did get something. But that is not, to me, that's not customer satisfaction. To me, the better thing would have been to contact and say, oh, that's out of stock. Would you like the more 180s? At least give the customer the choice. They didn't do any of that. I ordered this kit. It was called the Maxi Magic Film. And they have, the way it's set up, they have 2 of them. Again, like I said, I'll show it on the website. They have 2 of them on their website. Right now, this one is $5 and the other one's $5.89. And the other one is $5.89 and it doesn't come with the gel. Which when I first received my items, nothing struck me except I didn't notice about the files till just now, so that just kind of annoyed me. But this also is weird as well. I don't know if you can read that. That says March 2nd, 2018. So as of right now, this nail polish that I bought is, I want to say 2-year-old, and I believe gel polishes only have a 3-year life. So even if this was on sale, they should have put a disclaimer on the website stating that, oh, you know, only 1 year left, or these are going, like they should have put a disclaimer stating about the age of the product before they sold it. To me, that's very misleading. And then as well as this, the same thing here. This one says December 3rd, 2018, which means in December it'll be 2 years old, meaning only 1 year left of life on this product. And I mean, everybody doesn't use film all the time. Me being a person who does my nails at home, I don't use film like it's a rare thing. So that kind of annoyed me, but either way, it comes with a lot of films. I do appreciate that. You couldn't pick on the old kit. There's 2 kits. They say this one is the old formula. This is the way they advertise it. This is the old formula. Again, I will place a screenshot so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. They say that the new strips will not work with the old film. To me, that makes no sense, but whatever. The new film strips, not these, but the new film strips, to me, I feel like all foils are made the same, but whatever. The new film strips will not work with this formulated film sticky stuff, maxi stuff. This is called Maxi Magic Film Glue, whatever. To me, it's foil glue. That's what it's called. It's foil glue. So it comes with all of these foils, which I'm super excited about. I ordered it April, let's go back. I ordered it April 25th. I did not contact them, not once, about the shipping length. Everybody was complaining. I've checked the website. I checked the his Instagram multiple times. Literally everyone has ordered from this company and is complaining a lot about the length of time during COVID that is taking to receive their items. Apparently, normally, this company is always delayed in shipping, at least a 3-week minimum, which to me, that's not a way to run a business. You need to be faster than to wait 2 months to get their products. So with that being said, I received these products just last week. So April 25th, May, June, I literally waited probably 7 weeks. And then when I finally did receive a shipping confirmation, it said it shipped like it sent me, oh, your item has shipped, but really no, it sat in a factory with a shipping label created for probably 2 to 3 more days, which I feel like is actually a horrible business practice. Like, if someone's tracking their stuff, if you send them a tracking number, don't send it to you, at least drop it off at the post office. Either way, I don't really want to like bash this company in general. I haven't tried these products yet. So my whole thing is, if you have a company, you should not be having bad business practices like this. Like, at least let people know what's going on with their stuff. And then my whole thing is, a lot of companies now, they don't take your money until they ship the product or until they process your order, which means they're putting it in the box. They're about to ship it. This company takes your money and keeps it for months and don't even ship your product. They don't update you. They don't let you know anything. They have said they ordered at the beginning of April, they've ordered at the end of March, and still have not received their products, which I believe is actually, like, that's pure buffoonery. To me, like, that makes no sense. How can you say, oh, due to COVID, we're backed up, and then they have this long disclaimer on their website. It's just a lot of things that I just felt like, okay, I got my stuff, but now what about the other people that ordered hundreds of dollars worth of his product and still have not received it? They have not received the update, they email customer service, and still hear nothing back. I smell you're how can I say this? You're advertising new product, but you haven't even fulfilled all your back orders. All your back orders from March. People are saying they haven't received orders from March. It's June. How do you explain that as a company owner? How do you explain that? And you want people to support small businesses. Hey, at this point, you're not a small business anymore. So you need to level up. You claim you have a factory, which no one's never seen. Like, I could see if he was taking pictures of the factory. Like, look, myself, I'm literally fulfilling these orders. No. Oh, and then another thing. I'll insert a clip for this. To me, they put the disclaimer like, oh, we're trying our best to ship out the orders as fast as we can. Due to COVID, we're taking all these precautions of health and safety, blah, blah, blah. So why was my package wrapped with like tape all around the package? Which means, like, literally this is what this means. You bought the packing bag, and then you take them to wherever the product is. You fill the bag, and then whoever packed the bag taped around the bag, and then they put the shipping label on top. My tape had hair underneath the tape. So if you're practicing all these health guidelines and you're practicing all of this stuff that, oh, this is why your orders are being delayed, why was there hair underneath my tape? That to me just grossed me out all like across the board, because I don't know whose hair that was. So literally when I opened it, I literally just slit the top open, poured out the stuff, and just threw away the bag immediately, because I was just like, okay, that's gross. I'm grossed out. So I don't know. I was just really annoyed by this process, and just hearing more and more about this company just disgusts me to a level where I'm just like, well, you got my little $50, but you won't get another dime out of me, never again in life. I've heard a lot of good things about the company, but lately I feel like there's no excuse for poor customer service. Delaying people's order with no explanation. And then they get the order, and either the orders are wrong, like mine, where I literally was missing something, but they just threw in something else so that, like, maybe you won't notice that you're missing something. Ooh, we'll play a trick. When I literally have the list right there, and it says that I ordered 3 150 by 150s, and there's no 150s in this pile. A lot of people are getting their orders, and they're just wrong. Like, it's missing a lot of product. Oh, the stuff that was in stock when they actually ordered on the website, they're receiving their packages, and it's saying that their product was out of stock. It was not out of stock when they ordered it, which means you are lying about the quantity of stock you have. If it is not available, you should have it on the website saying, not available, hello. I don't know, a lot of things about this company don't make sense, but I do think that there'll be more to come about, like, these products in particular, but I probably won't reference them anymore in any of my videos. I won't be supporting this company any longer. A lot of people that I watch on YouTube are pulling, kind of pulling their support away from this company as well. It's just not been a good experience as far as since the pandemic has hit. It has not been a good experience for a lot of customers. And I just don't think that you should treat your customers kind of negligently, where you're advertising for new items. You're bragging on your Instagram about, oh, we have so much new stuff and blah, blah, blah. How about you take the money that you're making off of all these orders that you haven't processed yet, and how about you get a few more people in your factory so things can go a little faster? And stop making people wait 2 months for products that are probably coming from China and you're slapping a sticker on it talking about designed in the US or something of that nature. That's what it says. I don't know. Either way, those are my thoughts. But I just want to make people aware, no, we are not going to stand for this. And it doesn't matter who you are. To me, if you have bad business practice, that's your business right there. No one's going to support you. Duh. So I would say that he needs to get his priorities straight and start thinking about his customers, because no one, literally no one that is ordering for the first time from him within these past 2-3 months are going to order again because they had to wait so long for such a little bit of product. I can see if all these items were out of stock. Nothing on my thing was out of stock. And then the crazy thing is that they didn't even send me a note saying that the 150 was out of stock. They didn't send anything. They just sent these extra files thinking, oh, she'll get over it. Whatever. So yeah, but I digress. I'm moving on from this. Never to be talked about again. But either way, I hope you enjoyed the video of me just venting about this mess. And just imagine if I did order like $100 worth and you had to order $100 just to get free shipping. What? What kind of company are you? Some scam company? Anyways, yeah, bye.